I'm gonna dig that first. Here's another one. Hear that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So let's see if we got anything. Look at that. Right away. Idiots. Idiots. There we go. All right, so now we got something. Yeah, you got to make sure you keep the shovel away. You got to keep, when you're metal detecting, I'm not a pro at this stuff, but you got to make sure that you keep metal things away from what you're detecting, because you're going, oh my God, and you just keep digging and digging and digging. 6 feet later, you go, oh man, there's nothing down there. It was a shovel. But you gotta have fun at the same time. I just hit that, I didn't see anything. Look at that. Oh, don't lose it. Another piece of a hand-forged nail. That probably held the outpost together. How do you like that? That's cool. It's small though, but it's still there. All right, Diane, give her a go. So just sweep it.
Go back and forth like
Yep,
this?
yep. A little bit lower to the ground. Just nice sweep.
I'm gonna test it.
Yep. Ooh, that is something right there. Yep. What in the heck? Go ahead and zoom in on it. Now move it around, move it around. And the higher pitched it is right on the target.
It's right here.
Hit the ground. Hear that?
I got something? I think I got something.
You want to dig?
Yeah.
All right, you can turn that thing off. Okay.
Okay.
So let's mark that right there, so you know. All right, so there it is. It's not in the plug. It's right there.
So what do I do now?
So you're gonna start digging now. And then set all that. And then you're gonna need this. Just point it at it.
Ooh.
But you gotta watch your ring and get the shovel out of there. So you just want to sift around in there until.
I know how else to test this.
Yeah.
Yeah. See if it works.
What the
It does.
heck?
Picks up metal back there. That's right. That's awesome. Yes, I have metal in my back.
You have to swirl it around like a spoon. Yep. All right, so this one might be pretty deep.
Ooh.
Oh, you got something. All right, slowly, slowly. And it might be another colonial nail or maybe a dandy button or. And you can scoop it out with your hands and set it aside.
I don't have any.
Okay, so there it is.
Ooh. Ooh, it's still down there.
Oh yeah. That thing goes about 2 inches down.
Maybe I should.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Ooh. I'm like right on it.
You know what? From now on, I'm not taking you out to somewhere expensive for a date. We're gonna do this.
What does my husband do for dates? He makes me dig holes.
Excellent.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
What is that? It's a...
That's a flower.
Ooh.
Look at that. Hit it with a thing. Look at that. Another hand-forged nail.
I found something.
How cool is that? So there was definitely a building here of some type because the nails, look at this.
It looks like a twig, honestly.
Put it in your hand. Look at that. That is hand-forged. Late 1600s, early 1700s, mid 1700s maybe. We don't know for sure, but we're gaining a lot more evidence out here.
So do we clean it?
Yeah, we'll clean it later.
I found something. I found something.
How cool is that? Imagine the guy that
treasure hunter.
made that nail by hand.
That's really cool.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Here.
All right, so Diane's filling that plug up because we got horses out here. So you want to make sure that that is in there nice and snug. Oh, look at that. Lady, step on that. And just like brand new. Looks like no one ever touched it. That's perfect. All right, so what's it feel like so far? You like this?
I do. I want to find some gold.
Gold digger. So we got another hit right here.
Okay, and I press the button now. It doesn't sound.
Press the button again. Now push down on it. Okay, now move it around just a little bit. Right there. Now push down. That's it. All right, stop. Nice job. Let's start digging, baby. What are you hoping to get this time? More gold?
Gold. I'm just going for the gold, baby.
Wouldn't it be cool if we found like a gold coin? Mind your way.
Yeah.
All right, dig that baby up, man. Let's get that plug out of the ground. Oh, look at that. Ooh, that's beautiful.
Where'd the little pointer go? It's on.
Look at you found.
I found some.
What the heck is that?
I think it's a shell casing.
That is a shell casing from a shotgun. Holy smoke. All right, but that's cool too,
That's
though.
modern.
Yeah, that's modern. Somebody's out here hunting.
Right here.
All right, go. Here's your pointer, darling. See what you got. Ooh, you got something in there.
I don't have gloves or anything.
Oh, I don't think it's a grub.
No, gloves.
6 inches deep in this baby. Let's give it a shot.
Let's dig.
All right, so Diane says this is the last one for the day. And I agree. We got a really good hit on this one. And this is right where I believe the foundation of the cabin was.
I'm hitting something like a rock way down
Yeah,
there.
it might be. Well, there's going to be rock down here, that's for sure. Let's keep going.
Baby coming out.
Holy smoke. All right, lady.
Okay.
Take it. Oh, look at that.
Ooh, grubs, grubs, grubs.
Grubby, grubby, grubbies.
Eugh. All right, at
We
least.
got some grubs.
But something's down here, so we're gonna dig.
All right, girl, dig it.
Where do you want me to put the...
Just set it on it right there, yeah. And then you want to come back and sweep that every few minutes with a sweeper. Ah, I see it.
What do you see?
Oh, it's a nail.
Another nail?
Yep. Right there. Look at that. Colonial
How
nail.
did you see that?
Look at that. Another colonial nail.
There's some messy carpenters out there
Let's take a look at
building.
that. Look at that. Hundreds years old. So we are so excited about this find. I mean, my gosh, this is crazy, but let's take a quick look and see what we found here. All right, and this is why we think that there was an outpost here, colonial for sure. This is part of an old bean pot. In other words, the hook would go in here, and this is another part of it, another part of the bean pot, and this is how they would cook. Okay, look at that. Which tells me that the other pieces of this are somewhere here on the property. So super cool. This is how they ate, cooked their meals. This again is the flintlock. We believe this is from 1610. You guys see the image on the screen. This right here is another part of that musket. Super incredible, incredible find. This is either a belt buckle or maybe a shoulder strap. for something, to carry something, but it's possible it could have been a belt buckle. It's pretty amazing. And then we've got a dandy button. So this is brass, and you can see this went over an overcoat. So this was a button that would close a coat, a long coat. Look at all these hand-forged nails. All these hand-forged nails, incredible. This right here is a knife that they would use to cut whatever. You can see the teeth on the knife right there. Incredible find. Okay. And then last but not least, this is our curry comb. This is what they use to brush their horse. So they would brush their horse and do whatever. Now, so the biggest mystery to Diane and I is what happened? Why did all these artifacts, like parts of the gun, broken up bean pots, I mean, these were things that people needed to have to survive. And if they lost these, they just couldn't run up to Walmart and grab another one. Didn't exist. So was there an attack of some type? Was it, was it a Native American attack, Indian attack? We'll never know, unfortunately, but there's definitely some mystery here because we know that the great American Indians were definitely in this area for sure, but we just don't know. But why would you leave all of the things that were most valuable to you scattered about? You just wouldn't do it. So that is the mystery.